Gada gadi gada oh.
Hello, my name is Ken Gabriela Jasmine S in PM 22412004, class accounting 22A. The nature and us of accounting. Accounting is an information system that aims to identify, measure, record, and report the economic activities of an entity. Accounting assists in decision making by providing accurate and relevant information to users such as managers, shareholders, creditors, and other parties who have an interest in the financial condition and performance of a company. In general, accounting aims to produce financial statements that describe a company's financial position, result of operations, and cash flow. To understand further, let's discuss the nature and art of accounting in more depth. Nature of accounting. Object 1. Objectivity and verifiability. Accounting is objective in nature, which means that financial statements should be based on variable and reliability measure data. This objectivity is important to ensure that accounting information is free from bias, because biased financial statements can mislead users in making decisions. In practice, accounting asks concrete evidence such as sales invoice, receipt, and other transaction evidence as the basis for recording. Accountability. Accounting has the main foundation to account for the acts for records by responsible parties in the organization. This trend is important because accounting plays a role in monitoring and controlling the organization results, as well as ensuring that funds invested by shareholders or creditors are used effectively and efficiently. 3. Consistency principle emphasize that the accounting methods and procedures must be applied continuously from one period to the next. This consistency is important so that the information present in the financial statement can be compared over time, so that user can assess the company financial performance more accurately. 4. Relevance and reliability. Accounting should provide information that is relevant for decision making, which means the information should be useful to users in predicting future outcomes or understanding current financial condition. In addition to being relevant, information must also be reliable, which means the data must be accurate, trustworthy, and in accordance with actual condition. 5. Conservation. The principle of conservation in accounting emphasizes controlling recorder, especially with regard to revenue and expense recognition. In situation of uncertainty, companies should prefer not to overstate revenue or asset and not to understate the value of expenses or liability. This conversion natural aim to avoid misleading assert to financial statement by providing a more consistent picture of company financial position. 6. Timeless. Accounting must provide timely information to that user can make relevant decisions. Delays in presenting financial statement can be reduce the value of the information, especially for parties who need to make immediate decisions based to the company financial condition. As of accounting. The arts of accounting are vast and cover various aspects in business, are well or organization. Here are some of the main arts of the accounting. 1. Managerial decision making for management. Accounting provides important data about the company financial performance. What is then asked for planning, controlling, and decision making. By understanding the company revenues, cost profile, and cash flow, management can plan strategies to increase profitability and operational efficiency. This information also help in setting budgets, controlling costs, and evaluating the performance of each department of division. 2. Performs evaluation and measure of success. The main author of financial statement are shareholders and creditors who want to know the company performs. Financial statement, such as income statement and balance sheet, provide information on company profitability, efficiency, liquidity, and solvency. Through their report, investor can determine whether the company is worth investing in, while creditor can assess the company ability to repay its debts. 3. Financial planning and control. Accounting information is asked in the financial planning and control of the company. The planning process involves preparing budget, financial projection, and evaluating the need for funds for future activity. Financial control, on the other hand, refers to budget monitoring and comparison of actual results with planned budget. Accounting information enables companies to detect budget deviations and take necessary corrective action. 4. Fulfillment of tax obligation. Accounting is also important for the fulfillment of tax obligation. Every company is required to report income and pay tax in accordance with applicable regulators. In this case, accounting helps calculate the amount of tax that must be paid accurate based of the company planning. 5. Provision of information to other stakeholders in addition to management, shareholders, and creditors. There are various other stakeholders who ask accounting information, including governments, financial institutions, employees, as well as the public at large. Governments need accounting information for regulatory purposes, while employees may want to know the financial stability of the company. Financial institutions, as a bank, need financial statement to evaluate creditors, and the winner community may be interested in seeing how the company contributes to the local economy. 6. Risk assessment and financial analysis. Accounting is also asked to assess risk and conduct financial analysis. The calculation of financial ratios such as liquidity ratio, profitability ratio, and solvency ratio. Company can identify potential financial risks they may face. This analysis is useful for management and investors to measure investment risks and determine mitigation measures if necessary. 7. Control and compliance with accounting regulation. Assistance in controlling the company operators to comply with applicable rules and regulations. With a good control system, companies can ensure that all transactions are recorded and reported correctly in accordance with accounting standards and the law. This compliance is important so that the company avoids legal risks, sanctions, or fines that could harm the company reputation and finance. The objective, reliable, consistent, relevant, and timely nature of accounting allow the information product to be relied upon for various purposes. The ask of accounting in decision making. Financial planning, perform evaluation, fulfillment of tax obligation to risk analysis, and sustainability assessment show how important the role of accounting in business success. Accounting helps information users make better decisions, both for internal and external parties of a company, as well as assuring that organizational resources are as efficient and in accordance with prudential goals. That's all I can say. Thank you.